Hey lovelies! Today I'm unboxing and reviewing 6 affordable lip colors from Shopee, all under RM10. It's my first time trying them, so get ready for my honest thoughts and swatches. Let's dive in and see if these budget-friendly lip colors are worth it. Stay tuned. This first product is a nude lip color that doubles as a lip color base, which is perfect for those of us with darker lips. You know, it can be very frustrating when you try to apply a light pastel lip color but it doesn't show up properly. So this product is here to solve that problems. I actually have two versions of this product, the original from Floret and a dupe from Shopee called Toot Dodo Velvet Mist Glaze, which is what I'm reviewing today. The original one comes with a price tag of around RM40, while the dupe is a steal at just RM459. Now let's talk packaging. The dupe's packaging feels slightly more plastic, but given the significant price difference, I really don't mind it at all. It's what's inside that matters, right? Upon first application, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. The texture of the dupe is smooth, almost buttery, and there's no peeling at all. The scent, however, is a little different from the original. The dupe has a light floral fragrance, while the original has a more buttery aroma. If I had to pick a winner, I think the Floret is nicer in terms of smell and me. In terms of performance, the dupe is a close match to the original. The texture and pigmentation very similar, although the dupe is slightly less pigmented but still very good. I really approve this product and I can't wait to purchase more shades. It works beautifully on its own, but if you want that natural nude look, you can just pair it with the lip gloss. So this next item is also from Toot Dodo, is the Air Mist Velvet Lipstick. I really like this matte cute lipstick in this product picture. So before applying the color, the product itself doesn't really look like the product picture, but who knows, after applying it on the lips it would show more of the color. I'm using the previous lip base and applying this pink color. The application is very smooth and it's not drying for matte lip powder, but I really don't like the smell of it. There's a weird fruity smell. The color honestly looks 90% like the product picture after the application, but I don't know why the color is not really showing on camera, but in real life it actually is at least 90% like that product picture. So this is the Cappuvini Heart Lip Gloss Stick. I'm opening this one. The packaging is super cute. There's like a cat in front. Took me a while to find out that you have to click. So found out and let me start applying it. As you can see, the lip gloss is really glossy. I'm really surprised on how glossy it is as a lip gloss on a stick. And the heart shape actually makes it way easier to apply than a normal lip gloss. I mean, you can look at it, it's pretty glossy. For the price of it, it really does a good job. This also smells pretty good. This is definitely a really good find. Next is the Cappuvini Cat Lip Gloss. The color looks great and upon application it's just very watery. Not anywhere near like the picture's mirrotic effect. It's a little bit drying as well and it smells like children's vitamin C. This product is a no for me. I would definitely prefer the previous lip gloss stick over this. I'm opening the Toot Doodoo Mirror Glaze. And let me tell you this product is useless. There's no color, it's just watery. Just throw it away. This is the Cappuvini Feather Moisture Lipstick. This is cute. Let me try it. I think it's just not very pigmented, but it's nice to actually to be able to layer this one. I will probably not repurchase this, but I would happily finish this one because it looks very natural. With a very natural makeup look, it looks perfect. But just not as pigmented and not as mirror as shown in the product pictures. And the smell is actually pretty good. I like this fruity smell. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for future videos. I've included all the product links in the description, but note that the shipping costs are not included. Just to clarify, these opinions are my own and this video is not sponsored. Please share your feedback or any questions in the comment below and let me know what else you'd like to see me cover in the future video. See ya!